If coffee is part of your daily routine and you enjoy the aroma of a freshly brewed cup, this video is for you. Today we're doing the unboxing, seasoning, and real test of the most famous Italian coffee maker in the world, the Bialetti Moka Express, with its iconic mustache man logo and one of the best-selling models ever. Welcome to a new video. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's get started. Hi everyone, come along as I open this order I placed from Bialetti directly through their website. You can choose in-store pickup or home delivery. This is how it arrived, in a paper bag. Let's open it and take a look. I ordered the 6-cup Moka Express, espresso size, and to make the most of the shipping, I also got a replacement filter and 3 rubber gaskets, since those parts can wear out over time with use. This is the Bialetti coffee maker box. It arrived in perfect condition. Here it says Bialetti Moka Express, make 6 espresso cups. They also show the coffee varieties they sell separately: intense, classic, and delicate, ready to brew. What's great about this original coffee maker, compared to replicas, is its patented 8-sided octagonal shape, which improves heat distribution, makes it more stable, and increases durability compared to other models. It's also zero waste. The used coffee grounds are 100% compostable, so you can add them to your plants. This brand has been in Italian family kitchens for over 80 years, and it only needs water for cleaning, no detergent or dishwasher. What Bialetti patented wasn't just a coffee maker, but a design and a safety system that ensure stable, safe, and long-lasting extraction. Replicas may look similar, but they don't perform the same, and we've already tested that at home. Now let's open the box and see how it looks. It's wrapped in paper, and wow, here it is. It looks beautiful, much more elegant with high-quality details. Here we have the instruction manual in multiple languages. Wow, impressive. It feels slightly heavy, which is great because of its solid base. The handle is very comfortable, and the interior looks premium too. It's made of food-grade aluminum. When should you buy this coffee maker? It's recommended if you drink coffee regularly and want a better home brewing experience. It's higher quality and has an approximate lifespan of around 10 years. This is the funnel where the coffee goes, along with the safety valve that automatically releases pressure to prevent dangerous steam buildup. More safety, less risk. I really love the design. It's very well made. Also, they offer replacement parts, since components like the filter and gaskets can wear out over time. This little box cost me $10 and is for the 6-cup version. Here are the 3 gaskets and the filter. Once they wear out, we can replace them. The coffee maker already comes with its own gasket and filter included. Now let's take it to the kitchen and wash it with water only. Remember, don't use detergent or a dishwasher, just water. This helps maintain its natural layer, which improves the flavor. Also, aluminum can absorb flavors quickly. Before using it, we need to season the coffee maker. That means conditioning the aluminum so a natural layer of coffee oils forms. This is a very important step you shouldn't skip. Fill it with water up to the internal valve, place the empty funnel, and close it. Heat it until the water comes out through the top. This first step, using only water, removes any dust or factory residue. Once the water has passed through, turn off the heat and remove it. Now fill it again. This time add coffee to the funnel and screw it together carefully. It's hot. Let the coffee brew, then discard it. Fill it with water again, reuse the same coffee, and discard it once it's done. Now wash it again with just water and it's ready to use. Fill it with purified or boiled water up to the valve level. Add ground coffee to the funnel, preferably a fine grind for mocha pots. Close it and place it on the stove. It's very fast. In just a few minutes your coffee is ready. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't over-extract. Why shouldn't you leave it longer? Because the flavor will become bitter and burnt. At home, you can try different ways to enjoy it. For example, you can drink it as espresso, pure essence, an Americano, or a cappuccino mixed with milk or plant-based drinks. I personally think coconut milk pairs best with coffee, but there's also almond, hazelnut, oat, and more. It all depends on your taste. Hot or cold, it's amazing. Try different combinations and find your favorite. Right now, I'm using almond milk, which you can learn to make at home. I'll leave the recipe video at the end. You can really taste the difference. I loved this coffee maker. It's a great purchase, and I think it will be with us for many years. Now I understand why this model is still so popular after so long. Today we did the unboxing, proper seasoning, and taste test of the Bialetti Moka Express, so you can see how it works from the very first use. I'm sure it will become your go-to coffee companion. If you're looking for a practical and mindful way to enjoy a great cup of coffee at home, this is definitely an option worth considering. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Leave a comment with what product we should try next. See you next time.